Yeah, we share someone like so big soon. So I was thinking of sneaking, yeah, but let's go and sneak. This is Joe's life. I want to simply send me somewhere. Boy, yeah, there's pictures. Maybe can for my boy if you want to take pictures with him. Yeah, but we'll never know. Guys, boy, I'm not gonna go. I want like near that big soon. Yeah, boy, kind of like scared. Boy, sleeping. I want to just dead. I want like there are people like. So I probably wanna do him an interview next time. Yeah, boy, yeah, sure. Anything so much. But it's time to this tonight.
Get off room and do an assault. Get off.
Abantu abami awulekeleli ngani Baba abantu abami awulekeleli ngani Awuye ngiyazondlela abantu abami Awuye ngiyakondlela abantu abakho Nalemali esebenza iqedelo tshwaleni Biphuphuthelwa tshwaleni Ngiyazondlela nesami Nalemali esebenza iqedelo tshwaleni Uyidlelo tshwaleni Ngiyakondlela abantu bakho Nalemali esebenza iqedelo tshwaleni Uyidlelo tshwaleni Ngiyazondlela ingane zami Nginabantwana abawu-7 angikwazi ukuba-afforda Nginabantwana abawu-7 angikwazi ukuba-afforda Nginabantwana abawu-7 angikwazi ukuba-afforda Ngithi imali ngisebenze emakhishini encane Imali ngisebenze emakhishini encane Ngithi imali ngisebenze emakhishini encane Imali ngisebenze emakhishini encane Kodwa wabantu abama ungicabangeli ngithwele kanzima ungicabangeli ngithwele kanzima
Isandwa nine-spirit intwana. Silalele ezine-spirit. Spirit intwana.
But this video should be exclusive like this one.
Yeah.
Masubani?
Ngikhumbule era le yadishira.
Mr. Selvin.